Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 14. Culture and Heritage. The Warangal Ramappa Temple in Telangana is famous for its A. Floating brick technique. The Maha Shivaratri festival in Telangana is celebrated with great fervor at the A. Bhadrakali Temple. The Kakatiya dynasty of Telangana is known for its patronage of which art form? A. Sculpture. The Golconda Fort in Telangana served as a major center for A. Diamond trade. The Deccan Festival in Telangana is celebrated to showcase the region's A. Art, culture, and cuisine. The Bonalu festival in Telangana is celebrated primarily in which month of the Hindu calendar? A. Ashada. The Telangana State Archaeology Museum in Hyderabad exhibits artifacts from the A. Kakatiya dynasty. The traditional art of Telangana, Nakashi, is known for its A. Pictorial style paintings. The Gadwal saris of Telangana are famous for their A. Silk and cotton weaves. The Koti Lingala temples in Telangana are known for their A. Stone carvings. The Medak Cathedral in Telangana is one of the largest churches in A. Asia. The Telangana State Tribal Museum in Hyderabad showcases the culture and lifestyle of A. Tribal communities. The traditional martial art form of Telangana, Thakudu Bila, uses which weapon? A. Wooden stick. The Sirpur Kagasnagar Ramalayam in Telangana is dedicated to which deity? A. Lord Rama. The Bonalu festival in Telangana is celebrated with processions carrying A. Decorated pots. The Kaleshwaram temple in Telangana is dedicated to A. Lord Shiva. The Telangana State Institute of Nava Rasa Taranjini is dedicated to promoting A. Traditional music and dance forms. The Telangana State Archives and Research Institute in Hyderabad preserves historical documents related to A. Nizams of Hyderabad. The Kakatiya dynasty of Telangana is credited with the construction of the iconic A. Warangal Fort. The traditional art form of Telangana, Nirmal painting, uses natural colors derived from A. Vegetables and minerals. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.